Wondering how you can make $5 every 60 seconds directly in your PayPal account? Today, I'll show you the easiest way to earn money online. You can earn up to $200 per day. Make sure to watch this video till the end for bonus tips and tricks to earn faster. First, you have to go to Google and search for Enroll app and click the first link in the search results. You'll be taken to this website. As it says here, let's make world a better place. Be heard, not the herd. Thing about this method is that it works whether you are on mobile phone or on the computer. You can literally make money from any device. You can easily withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account almost instantly. As you can see here, they are already 600,000 plus tasks are already taken. If there was $1 for each one, it would be already more than $500,000. Let's head back to the top and start the registration process. You can either sign up using your Google account, or you can directly use your email address. If you are registering using your email address, then you have to enter your email address, password, and then re-enter the password. And finally, check the I am not a robot button and click the button below. Or if you are using your Google account, click this button and choose your Gmail account. It won't ask for email verification if you are using Google account. Here, we have successfully created our account. Now we'll have to answer these questions to set up our profile. Now you have to enter your basic information like first name and last name. Check the I'm not a robot box and click the button below. Then it will ask if you are ready to make web a better place and earn money. Click the accept challenge button. Then click the let's do it button. Now it is asking for your PayPal address where you will be paid. You can create PayPal account if you don't have one already. After entering your PayPal address, click the continue button. It's now time to choose your languages. You have to select the language you can speak and understand. Remember, languages you know, more opportunities you'll get to earn. After you are done choosing languages, click the continue button. Before moving forward, I have a special opportunity for you guys to make $1,000 a month. Click the link in description to join our paid money-making program for exclusive methods to get your first $1,000 this month. We only have 100 seats in total, so hurry up before it's full. Now you have to select your country code and enter your phone number. Then click the continue button. Select the country where you live in to deliver you best surveys. Click the continue button once you are done. Make sure the yes option is selected here to get notified by email whenever there is new earning opportunity for you. Select your gender here and proceed forward. Enter your date of birth and click the continue button. Now choose your highest level of education and click next. Moreover, select your work status, your job skills, your hobbies, and other questions. Once you are done answering all questions, click the finish registration button to finish creating your account. Finally, your account have been created. Now you can click the take me to the dashboard button. You will get questions which you have to answer in order to make money. If they are not available, don't worry. They will email you when they are available. If you can check their financial area to check your payment status. Here you can see their minimum withdrawal limit is $1. So it will be easier to claim your earnings without worrying about hard withdrawal limits.